My dear viewers, welcome back to my video. Today, I want to talk about something very important and very practical. This is one of the most common questions people ask me. They say, how can I practice English at home? Many people believe that learning English at home is impossible. They think they need a teacher, a class, or a speaking partner. But this idea is completely wrong. The truth is, you can learn and practice English in your own room. You do not need to go anywhere. You only need time, interest, and consistency. When you practice a little every day, your English improves faster than you expect. Small daily effort always works better than big effort once a week. When English becomes part of your daily life, it slowly starts to feel natural and easy. The first and most powerful method is self-talk. Talk to yourself in English throughout the day. Say what you are doing at that moment. For example, say, I am making tea. I am cleaning my room. I am watching a movie. These simple sentences train your brain to think in English. In the beginning, it may feel strange or funny, but do not stop. This habit builds confidence. With time, you will notice that you start speaking faster and with less hesitation. The second method is listening practice. Listen to English every single day. You can use YouTube videos, podcasts, interviews, or English songs. Do not worry if you do not understand everything at first. Understanding comes slowly. Your ears need time to adjust to English sounds. Try to repeat some lines you hear. This will improve your pronunciation and fluency. Listening to different accents also helps you understand real English used around the world. The third method is reading. Read something in English daily. It can be short stories, simple articles, captions, or even your phone messages. Try to read out loud. Reading out loud helps your speaking because your mouth and tongue get used to English words. Reading also improves your sentence structure and vocabulary. The more you read, the more natural sentences you collect in your mind. The fourth method is writing. Write a few sentences every day. Write about your routine, your feelings, or your plans. For example, today I woke up early. I studied English. I helped my family. This simple writing practice helps you remember words and make correct sentences. You can also keep a small English diary. Over time, you will clearly see improvement in your writing. Part 4. Routine, confidence, and motivation. Another very useful technique is watching and repeating. Watch short English videos and repeat what the speaker says. Pause the video and speak line by line. Copy the pronunciation and speed. This method helps you sound more natural. Always remember one thing. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. Every mistake teaches you something new. Make a simple daily routine for English. Give yourself 30 minutes every day. 10 minutes for listening, 10 minutes for reading, and 10 minutes for speaking or writing. Use English while cooking, walking, or doing daily work. Learning English is a slow process, but it works if you stay consistent. Start today. Practice at home. Stay patient. With time, you will feel confident and comfortable in English. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, like it, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple English learning videos. See you in the next video.